Atom IDE is a versatile and highly customizable code editor developed by GitHub. It is known for its sleek user interface, robust feature set, and the ability to support a wide range of programming languages and development frameworks. Atom's modular design allows developers to tailor the editor to their specific needs, making it an ideal choice for everything from quick script edits to large-scale software development projects. One of the key features of Atom is its Package Manager, APM, which allows users to easily install, update, and manage packages and themes. The Atom community has created thousands of packages that extend the editor's functionality, from linters and debuggers to code formatters and version control integration. This extensive library of packages ensures that Atom can be customized to suit any workflow or development environment. Atom IDE also boasts a built-in GitHub integration, making it seamless for developers to manage repositories, perform version control tasks, and collaborate with team members. With features like GitHub pull requests, issue tracking, and branch management built directly into the editor, Atom streamlines the development workflow and enhances collaboration. This integration is particularly beneficial for teams using GitHub for version control and project management. In addition to its powerful features, Atom is known for its user-friendly interface. The editor is designed to be approachable and easy to navigate, with intuitive controls and a clean layout. Developers can split the interface into multiple panes, allowing them to view and edit multiple files simultaneously. The ability to customize the appearance of the editor with themes further enhances the user experience, allowing developers to create a workspace that suits their preferences. Atom IDE supports real-time collaboration through a feature called Teletype. This allows multiple developers to work on the same project in real time, sharing their code and changes instantly. Teletype is particularly useful for remote teams, pair programming, and collaborative coding sessions, as it enables seamless communication and collaboration regardless of physical location. The editor is built on Electron, a framework that allows Atom to run on Windows, macOS, and Linux. This cross-platform compatibility ensures that developers can use Atom on any operating system, maintaining a consistent development environment across different devices. Electron's performance and flexibility make Atom a powerful and responsive code editor, capable of handling large projects with ease. Atom IDE also emphasizes extensibility and hackability. The editor's code base is open source, and developers are encouraged to contribute to its development. This open-source nature fosters a vibrant community of developers who continuously improve and expand Atom's capabilities.